1, 3, 2, 1. Blast off. Hey, y'all. What's shaking? It's your girl, Soul Sister Shelley. Wisdom Wednesday. I'm at the lie. Got something in my mouth. Sorry about that. I'm at the library. I'm about to pack up and go home. I'm tired. I had a Wheel of Fortune audition today, so I'm worn out because I had to have like my, all my energy on. So anywho, I am about to go home and I wanted to talk to you all about loyalty. And before I get into this live with, no joke, my 6-minute timer tonight, I'm going to just flat out say that I don't have the answer to this and I'm not that I have the answer to anything, but I thought this was worth discussing because I was studying the psychology of loyalty. So this is just kind of a random live because loyalty is tricky. It's a tricky thing. And I want you all to live an abundant life. I do. And loyalty is an important quality. It's an important in character and, having integrity and loyalty. And it's important for your mental and emotional and psychological health. And if you want to live with peace and love and joy, you want loyal people in your life, and hopefully you're a loyal person and you want to be a loyal person until you're loyal to a fault, right? Anybody out there? Anybody? Hey, Ryan. I can say without a doubt that I absolutely have fallen into that category. So really quickly, 6 minutes on the timer. Let's see if I can do it, fam. Happy Wisdom Wednesday. I hope everybody is doing amazing. Let's see if I can break it down for you. All right. Loyalty. So first, as you all know, I always pull up the definition. So I did that. And there are a couple different ones, but loyalty implies a faithfulness that is steadfast in the face of any temptation. So it's commitment, dedication, trust, and honesty, right? We all know that. If you're loyal to someone or something or a cause, I'm very loyal to what I believe in my cause, what I've been working on for years, and loyal to the different things that I'm committed to. It's trust, it's honesty. It doesn't matter if it's a relationship or a movement or your country or your sports team. It's for the greater good is essentially, if you're a loyal person, you're looking out for the greater good. You're taking one for the team, right? You're taking one for the team. You'll sacrifice even at the sake of your own. Like if you are in military, my goodness, our military, they're very loyal. They go out there on the battlefield. They're taking one for the team a lot of the time. So it goes way back, the psychology behind being loyal, and it's an emotional thing. It's actually can't even be tangible. It can't even be, you can't say a person's loyal on a scale of 1 to 10. You're either loyal or you aren't. You're either dedicated or you're not. You're either committed or you're not. You're either trustworthy or you're not. You're either honest or you're not, right? That's loyalty. But what happens when you're so loyal that the people that take advantage of you, you continue to be loyal to them and committed to them. And in the process, it's not for the greater good because you're so daggone loyal that you betray yourself in the process. So I just wanted to mention that because as I was studying this, and like I said, I'd love to hear some comments. I don't have the answer to this. I'm going to leave the library and actually go home and study it some more because I'm like, this is so intriguing to me. Most of you that know me or have followed me, I like going down the rabbit hole. And I'm like, I want to know more about this because the fact of the matter is, like, say this, for example, if you got 3 men going out into the battlefield, let's get this real quick story, and you're going to go up against 10, like, because loyalty is an example. A good leader has loyalty, and there's 3 of you, and there's 10 of them, and you decide that you're going to make that person go first, and that person's going down because you know for sure, because there's 10 of them. You know they're going first. Well, you've lost trust as a leader because you're putting them out there to be the front man for the firing squad, right? But if you're loyal to a cause or dedicated or committed, you're loyal to something you believe in, then you're saying, this is my best plan. This is how we should do it. I'm going to take one for the team, for the greater good. We got this much ammunition. We got this much space we can use. You're going this way. I'm going that way. You're going this way. And we're going to see what we can make happen. You ain't sending just one person out to be the head of the game for the firing squad. Am I right? Am I right? Okay? Because the moment that you do that, the next time you go into battle, that other person that was with you, they're going to be like, heck nah. When you're not loyal to people, they turn around and they're not going to be loyal to you. They don't trust you if you're not loyal. If you're not loyal to them, they're not going to be loyal to you. Am I right? I'm just saying. But people that are loyal are not swayed by momentary desires. But as a greater good to live an abundant life full of peace, love, and joy, baby, let me just tell you, y'all, you got to be a loyal person. It's a great character and quality. It's something we should teach our children. And somebody that's loyal is honest and committed and trustworthy and dedicated. And no matter what, they're going to stick by somebody. No matter what. Just like, for example, my dad just broke 15 ribs in a motorcycle accident. And I'm stuck by his side, trying to help take care of him. Because I'm loyal to him. I love him too, but I'm loyal to him. He'd do the same for me because he's loyal. He's committed. He's dedicated. I can trust him. When he says he'll be there for me, I honestly believe him because he's an honest man. He's loyal to me. But with that being said, loyalty is a great quality, y'all, until you betray yourself in the process. If you are loyal to people who are not loyal to you, that will send you out on the front line to be the punching bag in their self-interest, then loyalty becomes, when they say that saying, you can be loyal to a fault, you can. But overall, I got 10 seconds left. I did it. If you want to live an abundant life full of peace and love and joy, loyalty is where it's at. There we go. There you have it. And on that note, it's been a minute since I did a Shelley in 6, but that was Shelley in 6. So work on that. Ask yourself, are you a loyal person? And are the people that you have in your life, what up, Doc? Are the people that you have in your life loyal? And are you being loyal to the people that are not, don't deserve your loyalty? Let's say it like that. They don't deserve your loyalty. Are you being loyal to people that is causing you to betray yourself? Been there. Been there. Matter of fact, still working on it. Still working on it. I've been loyal to people. I've been known to do it. So, yeah. Check yourself. Check yourself before you wreck yourself. Check your motives. Check other people's motives. And if you want to live an abundant life full of peace, love, and joy, work on loyalty. That's what I got for you on this Wisdom Wednesday. That's what I have. I'm tired from my Wheel of Fortune audition. I got to go. So I'm sending y'all good vibes, good vibes. Lots and lots and lots of good vibes. I hope y'all are having a wonderful evening. Mwah, 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 mwah. Smooches. Peace.